In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can use a dual camera mount just like this to put two cameras on a tripod to do some filming. That's today's video. Before we dive into this video, if you will, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you can get notified whenever I release a new video. I'd love to have you back in the next one. Hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. So today I'm going to show you guys a really good detailed look at this camera mount right here that will give you the ability to mount two separate cameras on one single tripod mount. What we have going on is it's got a slider effect here, so that way if you have different size cameras, maybe you got a big old DSLR that's kind of wide versus maybe like a Canon G7X that's a little bit more narrower, or maybe even if you're filming with an iPhone, it's got a slider effect here to adjust for the different size cameras. Now, as you can see here in the middle, it's got a threaded hole here to mount right here in the center. So what I'm going to do is just show you the step-by-step process on how I get this onto my tripod and how it holds well, or how well it will hold two different size cameras. And I'll use two heavy cameras to show you. But also, if you are interested in this, I will have it linked in the description down below of where you can get it. Now, one of the reasons that you may want to get one of these adapters or mounts is to maybe do side-by-side comparison videos of two different kinds of cameras. That's the exact same reason why I bought this camera mount. Or possibly if you just want to get maybe an angle over this way, or maybe an angle this way on one single camera or tripod, you can do that. So, or maybe if you want to record backwards and forwards with one or with two different cameras. So there's various options of why you would want this particular mount. So let's go ahead and get our cameras mounted on there and see how it does. Okay, so here is the mount itself. It's got this like rubberized grip feel on both ends there to help hold your camera in place. It's got the screws right here to screw it into your threaded hole on your cameras. But yeah, this is what it looks like up close. Now right here, I've got a newer tripod, and then this is a newer tripod mount that came with it. So what I would do is mount this tripod mount right here in the center, so that way I could place it on there. So let me go ahead and do that now. Okay, so now I have my mount on there real tight, nice and snug. So I'll attach that onto my tripod. Tighten it down there. Now this works on just about every tripod you have. You don't have to have a newer tripod. So that's what that would look like. Okay, so now let's go ahead and mount two cameras on each side here. Okay, so there's two cameras mounted on there. And as you can see, I'm shaking the tripod and they're mounted pretty sturdy. It looks like they're not gonna come off. Something you may want to keep in mind is when you do add two bigger cameras like this on it, it's gonna make it a little bit top heavy. So make sure that you take your legs on your tripod and spread those out just to make it a little bit more secure. But yeah, I think this is a pretty good little tool to add to your video making toolbox, and it holds up pretty well. Look at that. Gives you some options on what to do out there in the field if you're wanting to record two different cameras and show off some different kinds of footage. But I think this adapter is going to come in pretty handy. Well, thanks for watching this video, guys. Hopefully it was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on this video and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. So until then, get out there and be creative.